What does it mean to be ISO 9001 certified? Many clients get very nervous right before their implementation audit with the registrar. And I ask them, why are you so nervous? What are you worried about? Oh, they're going to come in here and find out we're not perfect. Well, they don't have to leave their office to find that out. They know already you're not perfect. They're not looking for perfection. They're looking for a system. ISO 9001 implementation is about creating a quality management system that has processes that are defined, procedures, work instructions, a system, something that employees can follow consistently. And think about it, it's not about perfection. Built into the standard is non-conformances and corrective actions. Why? Because they know companies have problems and they just want to make sure that you capture those problems and properly document them, find the root cause and fix them. Having a quality management system and being ISO certified is not about perfection. It's about having that system and slowly over time refining that system and continual improvement. And if you'll take that approach and that mindset, you're going to find out a couple of years or 3 years past your implementation audit and being certified, you're going to say, we're way past the minimum requirements of ISO. And you're not going to worry about that anymore. You're just going to focus on continual improvement and doing what's right for your organization.